Welcome to the part C of the third part of the real numbers of exercise 1.1. Okay, let us start from the question. Use simply division lemma to show the square of any positive integer is of form 3m or 3m plus 1 using EDL. We know that EDL states A is equal to BQ plus R. 0 less than equals to R less than B. This is the formula of Euclid division lemma. Now, if we see that there are given 3m plus 1, and we know the formula as A is equal to BQ plus R. So, the value of B becomes 3. So, B is equal to 3. Therefore, R must lie between 0 and 3. So, what are the numbers? Is equal to 0. So, R will become 0, 1 and 2. But less than 3. Is equal to 0 but less than 3. It will become. After that, we have to solve for if R is equals to 0. So, please note it down. Take a screenshot and note it down. After that, if R is equals to 0, if R is equals to 0, then A is equal to BQ plus R. 0 less than equals to R less than B. So B becomes 3Q plus 0. Now squaring. We have to square the number. Square the number, that means A square is equal to 3Q plus 0 whole square. 0, the value of 0 cancellized. So 3Q square. It will become 3Q into 3Q. So we need the form of 3m plus 1. So if I separate 3, it becomes 3 into 3Q square is equal to 3m, where m is equal to 3Q square. Okay. So I hope that R is equal to 0. You have understood that this part. Now taking R as 1. Taking R as 1. Take a screenshot and note it down. Taking R as 1, then we get A is equal to BQ plus R. 0 less than equals to R less than B. Then A is equal to 3Q plus 1. Squaring the number, squaring both sides, squaring both the sides, we get A square equal to 3Q plus 1 whole square. Take a screenshot. After that, we can write A square equal to, what is the formula of A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus twice AB plus B square is the formula. So according to this formula, we can write 3Q A square plus twice A B plus B square. We can write this. After that, when we solve it further, we take out 3. A square equals to 3Q into 3Q plus 2 into 3Q plus 1. So from here we take out 3 as common. So we get 3Q square plus 2 plus 1, where we can write this number as m. 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3 cube square plus 1. Understood? After that, we have r as 2. We have r equals to 2. Take a screenshot and note it down. So, if r is equals to 2, we get a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than equals to r less than b. So, a is equal to 3q plus 2. As b was 3 and r is 2. Squaring both sides, we get a square equal to 3q plus 2 whole square is equal to a square plus twice a b plus b square. So here it becomes 3q into 3q plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 4. So this 4 again can be broken into 3 plus 1. It can be written as 3 plus 1. So it will become 3q into 3q plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 3 plus 1. So we can take common 3 from all the 3 numbers. So it becomes 3q square plus 4q plus, from here if 3 divided by 3 becomes 1 plus 1. Okay. After that, again I will write this last step as it may not be visible. Again I will write the last step. 3q a square equal to 3q square plus 4q, 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1, which equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1, where q is some integer. Okay, this was the last step. After that, you can write in using EDL, we can show that the square of any positive integer is of form. Therefore, using EDL, we can show that the square of any positive integer is of form 3n or 3n plus 1 for some integer. Okay, thank you.